Grandma and Grandpa, we're doing it. We're doing the little gingerbread train kit. It's fun, huh? Mommy already built the little cars, little trains, and Josiah's putting the candies on. And he's actually doing a good job. Josiah, put them right here. Look, right here. There's a little white dot. Can you put one of those back on there? Here, try this one. Put this one right here. Look. Put this one on there. You want to try? Okay. Is that one right there? Good job. Good job. All right. What else should we do? We should go open up the other candies, huh? Woo. Oh, look at those. Those look fun. I know that they're candy. Oh, there goes one. I knew this wasn't going to last very long. How about some gumdrops? Gotta make sure this kid doesn't eat a lot of candy, huh? This is not a free for candy. Let me see. Let me see how hard they are. Okay, you can have one of those. They're soft. Is that good? All right, we're gonna put them on here. Do you want to put them on there? Let's make windows. Let's make a window here. Alright, oh, don't stuff them all in your mouth, child. I know they're good, but holy cow. Here, help Mommy put them on there. Can you put them on there for me? Oh my god, you're drooling all over the candy. Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa. I think once the candies are on the train, he'll stop eating them. Okay, honey, no more. If you keep eating them, you'll have a tummy ache. You gonna help Mommy, or are you just gonna eat the candy? Oh my god. Alright, you wanna help? You gotta help Mama. Here, let's put some little gumdrops up here. Can you help me put some gumdrops up there? Mm-hmm. Here, like that. Still these flat ones. Mommy's just gonna do all the pink ones. Thank you. Good job. Yeah, there we go. Good job. You can put them on there. Mommy should try and do some of the red one, huh? Oh, and you snuck another candy. You're a little turd, you know that? Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. I'm just going to do pretty designs on here. Mommy's not being very creative, is she? She's just following the box. It's good? It's good? Are you going to help some more? Put some more candies on there? Oh, good job. It's not where I would put it, but if that's where you like to put it, then go for it. This is kind of fun. one side of the train may or may not only be done. We'll see, huh? Yeah, you're doing a really good job eating that candy up. Good thing you had lunch already. Is this fun? Of course it's fun, Mom. I get to eat the candy. Here, can you put some more of those up here? Look. Yeah, you can do those. Those can go on there.
I love pulling this cake.
You're tooting away, aren't you? Oh, don't drop them on the floor, honey. Don't drop them on the floor. They don't belong on the floor. Here, you want to put some up here?
I have some.
Hey, you want to put some more of these on there? You seem to like these little dot things. This is kind of fun, huh? Yeah, pretties. Pretties.
And then no spice cake would be complete without. And then what gives the cake a lot of its.
Here. Fun.
So I'm just gonna
Should we flip it over?
the ingredients.
Should we flip the train over? We have to wait for it to dry, so we'll just do this. Look at one side. Josiah did a lot of it, actually.
I'm starting with a lot of eggs.
Oh, it's looking so cute. You want to put some little dots up here? Look.
So now I'm gonna beat my eggs. Broccoli and kale.
Alright. Whoops. That wasn't supposed to do that.
So now I'm
That's
gonna
alright.
add sugar. I'm gonna continue beating this until it's really smooth and one consistency.
Good thing this is a little project for you. Oops. You want to help Mommy put your little dots up here? Uh-huh. Here, help Mommy.
And my pumpkin tray, one after the other. And the reason why is that there would be too much to work through.
You are so funny. You're just going to keep shoving that candy in your mouth. Well, the faster I get it on this train, the more likely you'll stop eating them. Ew, this one feels like you already put it in your mouth and you didn't like it. Gross. Well, we just won't tell Daddy. We won't tell Daddy that your goobers are all over it. Uh-oh. That was from the one he put on there. It wasn't on there hard enough. This is mostly for Grandma and Grandpa, so if you guys don't want to watch it, just skip this video. It's just fun, huh? Put a little bit more icing on there. Usually Mommy would be more anal about this, but this is not. This is a kid thing, huh? Yeah. Mommy likes to decorate this kind of stuff. Here, you want to put some gumdrops up here? I'm going to make a little window. Woo! Like a gumdrop window. Want to help?
or until a toothpick goes in and
Help make me a gumdrop window.
my cake. Green frosting.
You're still chowing down on that candy?
Right. So it's really delicious.
Hmm?
Very luxurious.
Of course you are.
Cheese frosting is butter. The thing here is that they are both. Otherwise,
You gonna help? Put one on there. Here. Let's put up some windows on this guy. There we go. Here, you wanna put one on there? Look.
I'm gonna add my brown sugar.
Josiah, look.
And some
You
salt.
gonna try? No, you don't do that. You can lick it. It's icing.
That was gorgeous.
Lick it.
Start mixing it
Try
all
it.
together.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
And I want to be really careful not to overmix my
Well, I like this side better.
cheese
Mm-hmm.
sugar. And this is what's going to bring it all together. So I'm just adding a little bit. We'll have a cloud in my face. This frosting looks fantastic. Pumpkin puree. Good taste.
Josiah, you are slacking, sir. Mm-hmm. You're slacking on the candy placing department. Yes, you are. It's like, what do I care, Mom?
In the middle. And I'm not going to press it out.
I just like to eat it all. Huh. Well, guess what? We're going to make a window here.
This is going to be a pretty tall tree.
Fun.
The rest of the cake. So I'm using my offset spatula. Whatever works for you. Just to push it all around. How can I spread it out on top? I pinch it. But I have two more ingredients I'm going to use to fit. There's some toasted coconut, which I'm going to put around the edge. And I'm leaving the top bare and feel which I well, it's such a
Yay, we're almost done.
perfect center. Coming up next, I go from cakes to candy, and I'm making a dish.
Man, there's a lot of these little things. We're just going to shove some of these little candies in these little things. There's a lot of these little ones. You want to help me put them in the little trains? In your candy train? This is a candy train where they have the little, you put candy inside the little things here. Let's look at the finished product. Good job. Stick them in there. You can save your candy for later. Ooh, sugar, yum. There it is. What do you think? Here, let's go ahead and put your train in the right order. Yeah. Oh. This guy goes up here. Uh-oh, something messed up. This side looks much better than the other side. But there it is. You want to see the other side? Not so good, but that's okay. We had fun, huh? Say bye-bye. See you later. Happy December 1st.